What is written on top? Not fearless leaders. My innings, second innings for your. So you are starting your first innings. I have finished playing my first innings for 35 years. And not that I was a big leader or something, but I can give you some aspects of leadership. Maharaj here gave you some spirituality. A lot of questions were there about veg, non-veg, which I overheard in the last closing phases. Let me be very clear on one aspect, or you all should be, everybody should be. Food habits do not dictate your thoughts and your religion. The Christians and the Muslims don't preach not even eating non-veg, do they? Hindus also, there are certain sects which do not talk about veg or non-veg. So that has got nothing to do with religion, your thoughts. As we go through this lecture, which will be about 45 minutes to 1 hour, so if anybody gets bored, can just walk out. I'll not feel sentimental about it. And if you're feeling sleepy, please go out, wash your face, close, switch off your mobiles. Concentrate whatever fundas I'm trying to give you. Right? They will be beneficial, and leadership or being a leader has to have your character, your integrity, loyalty very intact in you. You agree with me or not? Can you be a leader if you are a chore? Yes, you can be choro ka raja ho sakte ho, but that is not what you really want. Do you? So all this I will not, somebody has already talked about it. So, फौजी तरीके से I will talk about a little bit about leadership, emotions, and then what is emotional intelligence. Everybody is intelligent here, that's why you all must have passed some entrance exam having a certain level of intelligence. But then emotional intelligence is something which cannot be taught. It is within you, which you have to imbibe into you with your own self-discipline, self-motivation. So पहले तो हम समझेंगे कि ये लीडरशिप चीज क्या है. कहाँ से होता है यार तुम्हारा? हाँ. So anybody, what is a leader and what is leadership? We will have an interactive session. मैं ऐसा कोई बड़ा गुरु नहीं हूँ. Neither I am a Maharaj or somebody that I can say this. तुम्हारी तरह I have learned over the years. Yeah, anybody? What is leadership? Yeah, one of these young girls. Yeah.
Lead from front. Lead from front.
तो मतलब जो corporate, नहीं ठीक है, I can hear him. Who leads from front? Good.
And work with the team to grow or achieve success.
Good.
Ability to lead and influence the people.
Good.
Guiding the team.
Yes, very good.
On the charge, even though the things are not going good, he will take the responsibility.
Very good. That is one of the biggest factors of a leader. अच्छा हुआ तो मेरे टीम ने काम किया है, और अगर गड़बड़ हो गया तो मेरी गलती है. And leader does not always have to lead from the front. Yes, he has to set an example. But जरूरी नहीं कि वो आगे आगे भागता रहे और सब पीछे पीछे चलते रहें. He can be a corporate honcho who is, Ratan Tata was not running in front or standing in front everywhere. But his fundamentals, his philosophies in life were such that they were becoming guiding factors for you. Vivekanand, his talks were such that they motivated you. But he could not be everywhere. Could he be? So, leadership is a nichode of whatever I am going to tell, and you all have also spelt it out. Yes, There are places where a leader has to lead from front. So basically leadership is nothing but a process of influencing people. लोगों को motivate करना है to reach a certain goal, to reach something which everybody of you want to achieve. ठीक है ना? So it is leading people by influencing, commanding and guiding them, like you all said, so that you are successful, right? तो लीडरशिप में क्या होना चाहिए? What are the factors? We will just rush through. Factors क्या है? अगर लीडर है तो
He should know about the employees or the
गुड, बट फैक्टर्स क्या है? अगर लीडर है तो लीडर के साथ क्या होगा? मैं अकेला तो खड़ा होकर लीडर नहीं बन सकता हूं.
subordinates.
Yes, subordinates, followers, and if you have beautiful followers, बिना वैसे ही फॉलो करते रहोगे. So you have to have a leader, you have to have a follower, and then if there are something like we are now communicating with each other, here you can tell me, क्या हो गया भाई, क्यों लॉस्ट क्यों है? बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ. So if you have a leader, you have to have followers, because somebody has to follow the leader, somebody has to be subordinate, somebody has to listen to him, and then there has to be a communication. So communication, remember, now you are going up and going to becoming big leaders, corporate honchos and whatnot, executives, senior executives. So communication is one of the biggest key factors of your life skill. If you cannot communicate with others or cannot give out your point to the other person, you are not able to achieve the purpose of what you are trying to do. And then if you have this thing, you have to have a situation, because if there is a team, you will have to have a purpose for the team. ऐसे टीम कलेक्ट करके तो फायदा है नहीं. रोड पे तो हम क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे, वो भी अगर टीम बना रहे हैं, कोई टूर्नामेंट खेलेंगे या कुछ करेंगे. सो अ लीडर, a follower, communication and situation, ये चार अगर कलेक्ट हो जाए, then you have a fact of leadership. The situation will create a leader and people will be motivated. Like motivation by a leader is one of the biggest factors, because लड़ाई में you have to motivate a person, influence him so much so that he can follow you, because you may die also. There may be a bullet. When you are attacking, you don't know whether you live or not. So these are the levels of motivation that a leader has to create. Sometimes a task may be not possible, but then the leader makes it possible by his influencing you all, by his professionalism, by his way of communicating with you. ठीक है ना? So if all that is there, then his leadership is successful, because he has communicated his thoughts to you. You have given your ideas to the leader, and we'll come to styles of leadership where you can all give out these thoughts so that he can take the best path and then implement it for proper achievement of the goal. So, what does the slide say? Yes, तो लीडर बन गया हूं तो मैं कमांडर हूं, आई डंडा चलाऊंगा, सबको पनिशमेंट दूंगा. दैट इज नॉट द वे. इट इज अ एक्शन. यू विल हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. ठीक है ना? and it is such that a leader has to be followed. क्या लाल से लिखा हुआ है? Yes, that is the key word. जबरदस्ती फॉलो कराना is not being a leader. That has been thrust upon you. You will listen to me. अभी जैसे 1 घंटा डायरेक्टर हैज टोल्ड, कल रॉय लेक्चर देगा, आप सुन रहे हो लाइक गुड बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स ऑब्वियसली, बट हाफ ऑफ देम आर नॉट विलिंग. मौका मिले तो जाके बाहर व्हाट्सएप देखने लग जाएंगे, ठीक है ना? सो इट हैज टू बी विलिंग एंड दैट केमिस्ट्री हैज टू बी सच लाइक गॉड इज देयर. डू यू क्वेश्चन गॉड? डू यू क्वेश्चन गॉड? नहीं, बुरे दिन जब आते हैं हर कोई क्वेश्चन करता है, बट जनरली if something happens and it is good, you just accept it and follow it. Very few people will question God, so that it is like a leader. And then सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन ये आता है, are leaders born or made? Yes, very few people are born leaders, but then even if you are a born leader, unless you train yourself, motivate yourself, you cannot be a good leader. माता जी के पेट से निकल के कोई घोड़े पे चढ़ के, it has to be within you, which you start training yourself mentally. Your mental faculties have to be focused for a task, for an objective in life. Like you have Jhansi ki Rani. The situation came up, the qualities were there. They started coming out, she trained for it, and then the situation arose, and today she is in the annals of history. So that is what is leadership. And you have to hone your skills. Remember, why do you look up to your director as a guru? Because he is well read. He is handling you all well. So that is why you are following. For that, he was with me also in service at one point of time. So he has also trained himself, studied, become a thorough profession, and then applied for this job, and today he is your guiding light. So you will have to be professional. मैं सिर्फ खड़ा होकर नहीं कह सकता हूँ कि भाई मैं तुम लोगों का लीडर बन गया हूँ. पॉलिटिक्स में अलग चीज है, ठीक है ना? बट अदरवाइज if you will have to look up to me, if I have to be your role model, I will have to prove it with my professionalism, with my thoughts, my character, my honesty, and things like that. So that is what comes out, and a leader has to be situational. I cannot run away as a leader when I am standing in front of you, or my experience has to be such that I am a visionary. What is a visionary? Yes, futuristic, somebody with a foresight. Because your experiences, you all are about 23, 24, and I am about to become a senior citizen. So these 35 years of hard work that I've put in, that has given me experience, which today you all don't have, but maybe if I am alive, I meet any one of you after 30, 40 years, you may be more experienced than me. You will have better foresight. You will have to think. A leader has to think ahead कि इस पड़ाव के आगे क्या पड़ाव हो सकता है. So that is why the leader is there. And ये सब foresight को सिर्फ दिमाग में नहीं रखना, कोऑर्डिनेट करना है. If there are 10 people, क्या काम है लीडर का? Yes, to build a team. The main task of a leader is not to start working on his own. मैं यहाँ भी भाग के रस्सी बांध दूंगा, मैं वहाँ भी जाके कील ठोक दूंगा. लीडर का वो काम नहीं है. You are a leader because of your knowledge, because of your vision, because of your professionalism, because you are better than the other people who are following you. That is why some characters have been seen in you. That is why you are in that position. And leader has to be a messiah of hope. जब सब किश्ती डूब रहा है तब क्या है? Whom do you to look towards? Your classmate. जब फेल होने वाले हो किसको देखते हो? एग्जाम हॉल में नहीं कि डायरेक्टर साहब कुछ ग्रेस मार्क्स दे दे मैं पास हो जाऊं. So he is the leader. नहीं, he can. If everybody has got less marks, he can be your messiah because he is your leader here or director. चलो सबको 5-5 नंबर दे दो so that majority of them pass. क्योंकि some instructor must have set the difficult paper. So it is not that what I am jokingly trying to say, but then when you are at loss of ideas, you look up towards your leader. या जब hopeless हो जाते हो, where do you find hope? हिंदी पिक्चर में क्या दिखाते हैं जब कोई मरने वाला होता है? सब भागते हैं वो मंदिर की तरह. Yes or no? Because at that time, who is the leader? God is the leader. So you should be able to give hope. कि no, have faith in me. All will be well. ठीक है ना? So that is what a leader has to be. And then a leader has to be inquisitive. What is inquisitive?
Ask questions.
Yes, you should be asking. I should be asking such questions that I know all about you. ठीक है ना? And I, as a leader, should know your personal problems but not discuss them. A leader has to die with many secrets. If I know something personal about you, I can help you personally, but I should not tell it to the other person as a mock or to let you down. Yes, as a leader, like in the army when I was commanding, I knew about every Jawan, about his family, his bachcha, his everybody, so that I could help him. उनमें कुछ weak थे, कुछ strong थे. Some of them were financially well, some, but that doesn't give me the right to mock anybody or let anybody. That should be to help that person. ठीक है ना? So knowing personal problems, and by knowing all this, I should be able to, as a leader, correct you all, guide you all. So that is basically the complete essence. The leader is a messiah of hope, and I can lead you and show you the way. And at the end, after all this, being a good leader is all right. I am a very good leader, but then what should be your aim? Yes.
Completing the problem.
Focus on your own work so that you do not get away from your path of work. So ये तो कुछ मुद्दे हुए हैं जो लीडरशिप के हैं. And then what are the qualities? Competency. What is competency?
Ability to do something.
Yes. These are some of the capabilities or skills that you have. Passion. जुनून जिसको कहते हैं, वो आप में पैशन जुनून होना चाहिए कि ये काम मैं करूंगा, करके रहूंगा. तभी योर टीम विल ऑल्सो लुक अप टू यू कि हाँ, ये लीडर तो मेरा करने पे मजबूर है, तो मैं क्यों ना इसको फॉलो करूं? बिकॉज एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू बी सक्सेसफुल, एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू रीच दैट गोल. You all have the same mindset, but that will has to be there in you, and that can be done only by your professionalism, by learning, by training. Like in army there is a saying, how many are army brats or army girls? All of them, obviously. So फौज में अपने पापा को पूछना, इफ यू ट्रेन वेल इन पीस यू ब्लेड लेस इन वॉर. मतलब समझे इसका? तो अगर ट्रेनिंग आपका ठीक है, पढ़ाई आज आपने ठीक किया है, सो व्हेन यू आर इन योर जॉब्स यू विल बी डूइंग मच बेटर. बट अगर यहाँ पे सोते रहे, क्लास बंक करके कोलकाता में घूमते रहे, देन you will feel the pinch later on in life. So you have to have that janoon and get involved in your work. That is what janoon is. और लीडर को ऐसा शक्ल नहीं बनाना है, but he has to be humorous. Being involved doesn't mean कि serious सा थोबड़ा बना के बैठे रहो. That doesn't lead you anywhere. You have to connect to people with a smile, because a smile takes you a long way. It is the longest word in his English dictionary, because it is a mile long. So it helps you in releasing your stress. You are calmer. You are managing your anger. शांत रह सकते हो. And then you are connecting more. Would you like to meet a person with a serious face or a smiling chap? किससे मिलोगे? Smiling. So he has to be humorous, something like this emoji. ठीक है ना? So don't confuse professionalism with happiness in life. And डर के आगे जीत है. सो अगर डर पे काबू कर लिया, यू आर करेजियस. एंड इफ यू आर करेजियस, यू हैव द moral courage to stand up and say no to even wrong things which may be thrust upon you. But if you are not courageous and meekly accept a wrong thing, अगर गलत चीज को एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे, so you are neither a leader, neither a follower, but a dishonest person. So you will have to have courage, and your moral courage is something which I'm talking about. Physical courage, yes, that is also there. That can be developed by having, like Maharaj said, having chicken or whey protein and all. But moral strength is something which is major. And you can become a role model. So courageous leaders fight their fears and do not need to be done in the face of opposition. So when there is opposition, you still have the courage. And just somebody read out this: you cannot be truthful if you are not courageous. You cannot be loving if you are not courageous. You cannot be trusting if you are not courageous. You cannot inquire into reality if you are not courageous. तो इसका मूल निचोड़ क्या निकला? Courage is something which you have to have. The courage to speak the truth even in face of opposition. So that is what even Maharaj was telling about, the strength, not physical but moral strength, and that builds your character. So this is, when I talk to you about character sometimes, maybe in the future or later days, this is what is it all about. You don't have to be a 6'5". You have to have moral courage, your integrity to your colleagues, to the organization that you're working for, has to be numero uno. That is number one in your life. If you are loyal to all the places that you work or with people that you work, you will be having those values where people, even your seniors, will look upon you with respect. कि हाँ इस बंदे में कुछ है. ये जस्ट ऐसे ही नहीं बात करता है. He has got. जनाब को जरा जगा दीजिए. हाँ जी, जरा wash your face and come back. Good. You're courageous to sleep. And that is how you will build up trust amongst yourself, because you have trust in yourself. That is why people will start trusting you. And that is what is required. Because if it is a team, अकेला चल सकते हो? This is what is a team. और ये क्या है? Only a bloody उंगली. और बाकी जोश एनर्जी तो होना चाहिए उस लीडर में. कोई मरियल आदमी के पीछे तो आप जाएंगे नहीं. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड, एंड दैट विल ऑल्सो कम हाउ इफ यू आर प्रोफेशनली साउंड. बिकॉज इफ आई नो माई सब्जेक्ट, इफ आई नो माई वर्क, I will be interested in it. I will be interested to talk to you. I will be interested to lead you all. So that comes with your energy. And all these, when put together, build up your competency. And when you are competent enough, then what are you? Not only a leader, you are a good leader. Leader तो वैसे बन गए हो, अपॉइंट कर दिया आपको. ठीक है ना? So here comes team. What does teamwork talk about? Teamwork में क्या होना चाहिए?
Cooperation.
Cooperation, very good. Understanding, coordination, yes.
Cooperative. Trust.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सारे स्लाइड के पॉइंट आपने बोल दिए हैं. सो टीम बिल्डिंग इज ऑल अबाउट, अ लीडर हैज टू बिल्ड हिज टीम. हियर वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट टीम बिल्डिंग, बट अ लीडर हैज टू build a team. How does he build it? Cooperation, mutual trust, communication with each other. It is not only that मैं order देता रहूँगा आप सुनते रहेंगे. You all, the team also has to have lateral communication between themselves. ठीक है ना? So that will come also when you feel good amongst each other. Like I said, if I know your problem, my knowing your problem is not to insult you, to give you a feel good factor. And teamwork also believes in celebrating your success. जीत गए तो jam session भी करना है, so that you gel well in bad times and good times also. So that is what talks about teamwork. And we listen to each other. We communicate with each other. Remember, in teamwork, communication is of prime importance. ठीक है ना? And then lead by example. Somebody had said, yes, example or setting an example is something very important. And confront the fear. And sense of dressing is, again, it is your personality enhancement. So that also matters, how you dress. There was a saying that a shoe speaks about a man when you walk in. Aajkal that fundamental has gone, but otherwise, yes. Your sense of dressing, your first impression is one of the ongoing impressions also. I may be talking well, but अगर मैं यहाँ बर्मुडा में आता, would you have had a good impression about me? इसलिए स्पेशली मैंने आज ये इस्त्री करके पहन के आया हूँ. ठीक है ना? So that is also what is mattering. So all these things when put together build up a team. And then when I build up a team. When I'm moving towards a goal, what do I have to? I cannot do everything, or the team cannot do everything at the same time. Can you do it? खिचड़ी बन जाएगा, थक जाओगे. So we'll have to set priorities as per the requirement of the job, as per your resources, as per the capability of the team. And the leader has to give the right man the right job. अगर if he is good in studies और इसको मैं बोल दूं नहीं जा अब फुटबॉल खेल के आओ, वो बोलेगा सर ही प्लेज फुटबॉल गुड, और उसको मैं गणित के परीक्षा में भेज दूं, will the team succeed? No. So you will have to set the priorities, organize it in such a way, coordinate things that they move ahead. And then some madam said about creativity. एक आजकल फंडा स्टार्ट हुआ है, think out of the box. I don't know which box they talk about, but that means what?
Think different.
Think differently. इसने मेरी स्लाइड्स लगता पहले देखें इसने. So think differently. You will have to think on a different plane. And sometimes remember, the most stupid idea, people will start laughing, यार ये इसने तो एक क्या idea is most stupid. It may be the most feasible, workable solution at that point of time for that task. So nothing is stupid. It is just that he has not thought conventionally. Law of gravity कैसे आया था? Newton did nothing great here. सेब खाने के लिए वेट कर रहा था, गिर गया सेब. But he didn't eat that apple like you and me. He went and wrote the law of gravity. So that is what it is. The most simple thing can become the most feasible solution. And how do you create creativity? कैसे? फौज के तरीके से खड़ा होकर सबको सावधान कर दिया, कोई बोलेगा नहीं, जो मैंने बोल दिया वही करना. इज दैट क्रिएटिविटी? कैसे करोगे?
Asking for opinion, who take idea from the team? Lead by example.
भैया स्लाइड पे लिखा है, पढ़ के सुनाओ ना.
Brainstorming.
यस,
Playing games.
दैट इज व्हाट. सबके आइडियाज, दैट इज ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग. आई आस्क फॉर आइडियाज. ठीक है ना? I ask for ideas, that is brainstorming, and then discuss those ideas amongst each other so that we can reach a feasible solution. Play games, then working with a colleague, discussing, innovative center. There are many. ये तो 5-6 दिए, there is no end to it. So if you are creative, you can have more creative ideas of getting more creative thoughts, right? So brainstorming is basically just a fundamental thing, and then when you are moving ahead, this has to be more creative. And vision is foresight. We have already talked about. Use everybody. And one more thing, yes, here, vision does not mean only my experience. It is the experience of everybody. Everybody gives his experience, and then we move ahead and decide upon a way to move forward towards our goal. And finally, a leader has to adjust his thoughts to everybody's thoughts. ठीक है ना? And acknowledgement your own competencies. So you should work on your weaknesses or strengths. You don't work on your weaknesses. You acknowledge your weaknesses, don't work on them, work on your strengths. कमजोरी पे कोई काम कैसे करोगे आप? You must know your weaknesses, but work on your strengths. इसलिए आजकल एक वो क्या आ गया फंडामेंटल, SWOT. Yes, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा या पढ़ने वाले हो. So you do a mental analysis. हर वक्त जाके वो बोर्ड पे चार्ट बनाना के you don't need to do it. But when you are standing in front of people, you do that kind of an analysis automatically. ठीक है ना? लीडर तो आप बन गए, बट किस टाइप का लीडर बनोगे आप? एनीबॉडी? कितने टाइप के लीडर्स हो सकते हैं? बाय नेम मत जाओ, वैसे बताओ कितने टाइप के लीडर हो सकते हैं? नहीं, मैनी तो आई नो यार, 8-10 तो अभी मैं आपको नेक्स्ट 5-6 स्लाइड में बताऊंगा। चलो, एनीवे, देयर आर फ्यू लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स। वन इज द ऑटोक्रेटिक स्टाइल। ऑटोक्रेटिक स्टाइल क्या है? मैं बोलूं और आप सुनिए, ठीक है ना? आई डोंट गिव यू अ चांस टू टॉक और गिव यू आइडियाज। नाउ डोंट थिंक दैट इज अ वेरी बैड स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप ऑल्सो। नाउ लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स हैव टू बी एज पर द सिचुएशन। यस, अगर हम लड़ाई में जा रहे हैं, वहां बैठ के मैं ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करूंगा और सारा कुछ कर जाऊंगा, तो पाकिस्तान और चाइना इधर और आप खत्म। सो दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन इट हैज टू बी, आई से मूव तो यू ऑल मूव, यू डोंट क्वेश्चन माई अथॉरिटी। बट इफ यू आर इन अ बोर्ड रूम, वहां मैंने बोला भाई एवरीबडी विल जस्ट साइन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट, यू विल से नो सर द बुक सेज दिस, रूल पोजीशन इज दिस। आप गलत कर रहे हैं सर, इसमें 4 पैसे आपके अकाउंट में भी जा रहे हैं। सो दैट इज वेयर, दैट इज कॉल्ड द ब्यूरोक्रेटिक स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप। देयर everybody's ideas are taken, or whatever is the rule position, you are working as per that. और एक है democratic leadership style. Here I listen to everybody, then do what is, बोलो, best idea, good for everybody. So that is what is the democratic. Everybody is allowed to speak up. Everybody gives his ideas. और ये है राम भरोसे, सब करो, अपने अपने करते रहो, जो ये पॉलिटिशियंस करते हैं, हाँ या नहीं? चलो, विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट देम। एंड देन इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप। Somebody's thoughts. You heard Maharaj. You heard about Swami Vivekananda's teaching. They transform people. Their thoughts, not that they are speaking something very new. It is there already in this world. But the way he talks to you, it impresses you. You imbibe it into yourself as your life, as your way of thinking. So that is what transforms people. Transactional is again by the book, and you start working as per that and keep learning and implementing that way of working. Situation, जब कोई situation आ गया है, तो somebody becomes a leader all of a sudden because he has the guts to stand up and do the required, which can be good at that opportune moment. So that is what is situational leadership. These are some tips of leadership. So to be a good leader, what do you have to be? Communicate, listen, lead, be courageous, be integral to whatever you are doing. And then, now आपने बोला होगा इतने देर से सर आपने लीडरशिप बोला, इंटेलिजेंस की तो बात ही नहीं की, और इमोशंस आपके तो आए नहीं कहीं, आए? नो इमोशंस. You become a good leader but without intelligence. So what would you like? An intelligent leader or just a leader?
Right direction. In the right direction.
Yes, तो वो इंटेलिजेंट हो जो राइट डायरेक्शन में ले जाएगा. सो व्हाट आर योर नीड्स? सो देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. एक तो है जनाब जो 100 में 100 लेते हैं, बट किसी ने कुछ बोला तो नाक में मक्खी भी नहीं बैठने देता है. So he is emotionally uncontrolled. So I cannot have a leader who is emotionally uncontrolled. I want an intelligent leader, but I do not want him to be a bookish intelligent leader. I want a leader who can look after all these needs which are there. These are just some of the needs there, so that I can be of use to, the leader can be of use to everybody. So your emotions are something which are within you, which are coming out due to reactions, due to the situations. And what are your emotions? These are your major 4 emotions. Being mad, being glad, being scared. So these are your 4 emotions, and generally you can make out like this little girl is happy, she's smiling away. Yes or no? So it gives out your emotions. Somebody who's going out to sleep, he is not very happy here, bore kar raha hai. So these are different emotions which are happening in your mind. And also, you are the only person who can understand your own emotions and react accordingly. Now you should not react to all emotions which are triggered off in you, so that you do not react in such a way that you regret later on. ठीक है ना? You have to think in your mind that किसी ने मेरे को कुछ बोल दिया है which has hurt me, but should I react at that time? I may be feeling angry, but I'll have to control it as per that situation and not react so that I regret later on. So I'll have to control my reactions. So that is what is emotional hijack, and that is something you should not let your physical condition. You may be sad, like Pranab Mukherjee's. His wife died when he was the president of this country. Did he start crying on TV? He was sad. He must have felt the same pain which is felt by every human being. But then he was at such a position that he could not emotionally outburst. So these are positions, these are your thought processes as per your status, as per your professional requirements, that you cannot always start reacting to everything that you feel want to. And sometimes if you react, you may be making a mockery of yourselves. किसी ने तुमको उस्काने के लिए कुछ बोल दिया and you start jumping around. You are not getting into the alignment that you want, and for that you will have to control yourselves. You will have to control your stress, control your anger. And how do you control all this? By being positive, by thinking positive. If your thought processes are positive, you will not react unnecessarily to everything. Remember, at times you have to be proactive and not reactive. Because if you are reactive, you are not very intelligent. So, proactive means you take the lead. Reactive is, I give you some ideas and then you start moving towards it. So basically, aim is to be proactive and to move forward with positivity. And when you are thinking positive, you see good in everything. You are optimistic. Optimistic का उल्टा क्या है? Yes. So you want a leader who is an optimistic leader. Because if he is pessimistic, he is not giving you hope. He is not being your messiah of hope or does not show you the way. So you can do all this to relax yourself. Remember, everybody should give himself or herself quality time also. Right? You should not get so absorbed into your work, your thoughts, that you do not. Because if you don't do that, you will be stressed. And if you are stressed, you will have emotional hijacks, which everybody generally has. But then, if you can control them, you become a human of a different plane. You are different from others. So, when you have controlled these emotions, you have tended to be emotionally intelligent. You are more aware about yourself, about the needs of the others also. So that I know if this thing makes me angry, surely it will make you all also angry. So I should not behave in that way so that it makes you angry. So emotional intelligence is basically the capacity to be aware of yourself and also to be aware of the person in front. सब अंग्रेजी definition है, just go through it. Now, as per book, it is supposedly that EI came into effect in 1990, but obviously not. It came into existence since humans came into existence. Even animals before that had some kind of emotion. So emotions is basically a conjugation of your intrapersonal intelligence and your interpersonal. Intra means within yourself, inter means with the others. So when I can recognize the other person's emotions, I am growing in my EI and growing my emotional intelligence. And emotional intelligence has got nothing to do with IQ, with your theoretical bookish knowledge. It is all what you have learned, what you are doing, and what you are doing for the society. So, why is EQ important? It is important so that you can connect with people, communicate with people, and all this also comes in from your thoughts, your brain. And like I said, it has nothing to do with your normal IQ. So here is the framework: self-awareness. That is, you have to grow within yourself, manage your own thoughts, and socially aware and build relations with others, जिसको हम public relation भी कहते हैं. So it is basically personal competence or your personal thought processes and alignment of your thought processes with others. So to be socially aware, you have to be empathetically aligned. Now, what is the difference between sympathy and empathy? Any good English student? Yes.
It's like giving sympathy to someone, and empathy is like putting your shoes to someone.
Sympathy is just a one-side action. यार बहुत बुरा हो गया तेरे साथ, क्या करूँ मैं? Empathy is, यार something bad has happened to you. What can I do for you? That is the difference. So you have to be empathetic to build a relation. Just writing RIP Om Shanti doesn't solve a purpose on WhatsApp. वो तो मैंने आप 10 को देखा तो I also do that. So, but you have to connect. That is where you have to be empathetical. So, this little diagram speaks all about it. EQ is what is below, which is the majority part of your brain. IQ is theoretical knowledge. Yes, रात भर slog कर लिया, number आ गए. यार So, I would like a person with EQ because they are more focused, more competent. Hello, मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ यार, इसको रख लो जेब में. Something too important और गर्लफ्रेंड की मैसेज आ रहा है, तो सुन लो इधर. And promotes relations because I can understand you with my EQ or EI. And when we both are on the same plane, we are moving in a more focused way towards what has to be achieved. Somebody just read out this slide.
IQ scores may predict a person's success in the classroom, but do not necessarily predict success in the occupational or personal pursuit.
So EQ makes you successful in your life, no professional, yes, but IQ may make you successful in the classroom, but EQ will take you much ahead in life. And like I told you, these are the 5 factors of EI. This is understanding yourself and your own emotions, control over them. Don't get emotionally hijacked. And management is when you're able to gather them and not react. Social awareness is understanding the person in front, and social skill is when you are able to manage his or her emotions so that I do not say or act in such a way that that person becomes emotionally reactive. And social self-motivation is when I can motivate myself also not to react, and also motivate you so that you do not react, so that we both rise to be more successful. So this is what is self-awareness. We just spoke about it. And you have to understand the other person's moods and emotions. Socially aware is emotional empathy, basically. To stand by you at the time of need. So that is how I can help you. So emotionally, you have to be aware of the person in front, control my own reactions so that I do not get hyper, जिसको कहते हैं, for anything. And when I am not getting hyper, I motivate myself and motivate you also not to get hyper on any situation. So you would like a leader who can control your thoughts also. His thoughts he has controlled. That is why we follow people like Ramakrishna, Swami Vivekananda and so on. Because they have controlled themselves. They do not react to anything. They are proactive. They create situations which empathize with you. So your leader would want to be empathetic to you so that we can all move forward as a team. So this is where emotional intelligence is coming in, because a person who has got emotionally intelligent will be controlling his own mind, because he has risen onto a plane which is above you. He can see the world or the team as a team together, not as an individual. He is seeing each person as an individual, but then drawing a holistic picture. Like sometimes something wrong happens in our life. हम क्या कहते हैं? भगवान जो करता है अच्छे के लिए करता है. That means whenever the leader is saying something, he must have thought which is good for the team. It may not be very good for you, but for the team to be successful, it is much better. Because he has taken everybody's strengths, weaknesses, and emotions and requirements together as a package. So that is where you are succeeding as a leader with high EQ and EI. So you have to be 5 factors: self-aware, socially aware, manage yourself, motivate yourself, and be thoughtful about everyone. So that is how you can take everybody forward as a team. So would you like to be a leader with good EI or good IQ? Good.